Have you ever wondered why some diabetics feel extremely ill without any apparent reason? We're going to shed some light on diabetic ketoacidosis, a perilous condition often overlooked due to a lack of symptom awareness. Let's delve into the symptoms of this deadly condition that every diabetic should be aware of. Firstly, excessive thirst and frequent urination are common symptoms of diabetic ketoacidosis, or DKA. Now, you might be wondering, why does this happen? The answer lies in high blood sugar levels. When these levels elevate, your body tries to kick out the excess glucose through urine. This process can lead to dehydration, which in turn triggers an intense thirst. So if you find yourself constantly reaching for a glass of water and making frequent trips to the restroom, it could be a sign of DKA. Secondly, have you noticed a rapid weight loss without making any notable changes to your diet or exercise regime? This could be another symptom of DKA. When your body can't use glucose properly, it resorts to burning fat for energy. This switch in energy sources often leads to weight loss. Thirdly, nausea and vomiting are also symptoms of DKA. It's all about the ketones. When the body burns fat for energy, it produces these substances known as ketones. High levels of ketones can make a person feel sick to their stomach, so if you've been feeling queasy and can't seem to keep anything down, it might be more than just a stomach bug. Moving on to the fourth symptom, fatigue and weakness. When your body isn't able to use glucose for energy, it's like running a car on empty. You're bound to feel tired and weak. If you're constantly feeling run down, despite getting enough sleep, it could be a sign of DKA. The fifth symptom takes us to the respiratory system, shortness of breath. This happens when your body becomes acidic due to high ketone levels. It's like trying to breathe while running a marathon, except you're not running, and there's no finish line in sight. Next, we have a symptom that might seem a bit unusual, fruity scented breath. Yes, you heard that right. This happens when your body is trying to get rid of excess ketones through your breath. It's not exactly the fresh, minty scent you'd prefer, but it's a telltale sign of DKA. Lastly, but by no means least, is confusion or difficulty paying attention. This occurs when your body doesn't have enough glucose for the brain to function properly. It's like trying to solve a complex puzzle with half the pieces missing. If you find yourself struggling to focus or feeling disoriented, it could be a sign of DKA. These symptoms are often ignored, as they can also be signs of other health conditions. However, if you're diabetic and experience these symptoms, it's crucial to seek immediate medical attention. So we've covered the 7 symptoms of diabetic ketoacidosis that are often ignored by diabetics. These signs, though often brushed aside, can signify a life-threatening condition. We talked about excessive thirst, frequent urination, nausea or vomiting, abdominal pain, shortness of breath, fatigue and confusion. Each of these symptoms, when experienced persistently, could indicate that your body is in a state of diabetic ketoacidosis, a condition that could prove fatal if left untreated. It's important to remember that early detection and timely medical intervention can prevent serious complications. Paying attention to these symptoms and seeking immediate medical help can save lives. Knowledge is a powerful tool. By understanding these symptoms and their implications, we can make a significant difference in the lives of those living with diabetes. So, let's spread the word. Share this information with your friends, family, and anyone you know who could benefit from it. Remember, awareness is the first step towards prevention. Stay informed, stay healthy.